Give your broom a permanent vacation and reclaim your weekends with a vacuum that actually knows its way around your furniture. Welcome back. If you're looking for a high-end cleaning experience without the high-end price tag, the eufy C10 robot vacuum is the most efficient set-it-and-forget-it cleaner of 2026. This isn't just a random bumping robot. It is a precision-guided cleaning specialist. The standout feature for 2026 is the advanced smart mapping with LiDAR navigation. Unlike cheaper robots that wander aimlessly, the C10 uses laser pulses to build a millimeter-perfect map of your home in minutes, allowing it to clean in efficient straight lines and navigate in total darkness. Despite its high-tech eyes, it maintains an incredibly 2.85-inch slim design, allowing it to sneak under low-profile sofas and bed frames where dust bunnies usually hide out of reach. What makes the eufy C10 a 2026 household essential is the 8-week hands-free self-empty station. When the vacuum is full, it returns to its base and automatically suctions the debris into a sealed, hypoallergenic bag, meaning you only have to think about your floors once every 2 months. For pet owners, the Edge expansion brush is a game-changer. It literally reaches out into corners and against baseboards to pull in stubborn pet hair that other vacuums miss. With carpet detection that automatically boosts suction power the moment it hits a rug, it ensures a deep clean on every surface in your home. Click the link below for the best price and never push a vacuum again. If this breakdown helped you find your next robotic helper, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the smart home tech that actually buys you back your time. See you in the next one.